tired of your printed documents getting cut off in the binding? You spend all that time formatting, only to have the text disappear into the spine when you print it. Here is exactly how to set gutter margins in Word in under a minute. Alright, so here is the plan. We are going to go through the Layout tab, find the Margins dropdown, open up the Custom Margins window, set our gutter measurement, and apply it. Let us jump in. First thing you want to do is look up at the top of your Word document. See that row of tabs? Click on Layout. That is your home base for everything related to page setup and where the magic happens. If you have ever struggled with binding before, this is going to feel like a cheat code once you see how easy it actually is. So now that we have got the Layout tab open, your next stop is the Margins dropdown. You will see it right there in the Page Setup group. Go ahead and click on Margins. A little menu will drop down with all these preset options like Normal, Narrow, and Moderate. Now here is the thing. None of those presets are going to help us with binding. That is actually the problem most people run into. They pick one of these and then wonder why their text gets eaten by the binding machine. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that menu and click on Custom Margins. This is where you take full control. When that new window pops up, it might look a little intimidating with all the number boxes, but trust me, it is simpler than it looks. Now we get to the key step. In the Custom Margins window, look for a section that says Gutter. This is not the same as your regular margins. This is extra space added specifically for binding. So if you are using a comb binder, a spiral coil, or a 3-ring binder, your pages need that little bit of breathing room. Type in your measurement. For most standard binding, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch is plenty. If you are doing a thick report or a booklet, you might want to push it closer to 3/4 of an inch. And here is a really handy tip from all the documents I have formatted over the years. Look at the preview box in that same window. It will show you exactly how your document is going to look with this gutter applied. That visual confirmation is your best friend. Once you have got your measurements set, just click OK at the bottom of that window. And just like that, your entire document adjusts. Every single page now has that extra buffer zone on the inner margin. So when you print, bind, or hole punch your document, all of your text and images stay perfectly visible. No more text vanishing into the spine. And that is really all there is to it. You went from wondering why your prints were getting cut off to knowing exactly how to fix it. Next time you are setting up a report, a manual, or even a simple booklet, you now know the exact steps to keep everything clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy printing.